Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of first milestone of our project. So this is the demo for Checkbox IO web application. So in this we were expected to fix any missing npm packages in the package.json file, and also we were expected to modify the software so that we were able to run the web application successfully. Here is the link for the checkbox IO repository. So let's get started with our demo. So here the first step will be to create our VM and initialize it with Ubuntu image. So with this a vagrant file is created. So our next step will be to edit this vagrant file and to create a private network. So let's just edit this file. Now we'll bring up this VM by command vagrant up. So before this we have exported the required environment variables. So all the steps have been mentioned in the readme file. So let's just wait for the VM to boot up. So now the VM is up. So let's just find the SSH config path and copy this private key into a directory of keys. And let's just rename this key file to checkbox.io.key because that's how it is set up in our YAML file. Let's just change the mode permission for this file to 700, and now let's just make sure that in the known host this SSH key is not added already. And now we'll run the playbook checkbox.io.yaml using this command. So now we are updating the packages. And we are now installing the necessary dependencies. So now we have installed the Mongo package. We have cloned the Git repo to our target machine, and we have created a MongoDB user. After that, we have replaced the nginx config files, and we have restarted the nginx server. After that, we are doing npm install, and we are installing all the packages mentioned in the package.json file. Here we are installing Forever to run server.js application, and our playbook has been executed completely. So let's just go to this IP address. So I'll just type this IP address again to make sure that this is a new web page. Now let's go to the researchers tab and let's create a new study. So fill in all the details of the study. make sure to put the invite code as research. So our study is created, and we can see that there are different links. So if we go and click on this public link, it takes us to this DevOps demo study. So one more thing now is we can check the output of this file. So if we go to the Vagrant itself, the Vagrant VM, using this forever package, we have created a file called out.log. So if we see that file, the entire console output gets stored in that. So this is the out.log file, and if we go down, this is the entire console output. So here, if we go little up, we can see that our study has been created successfully. Yes. So here we can see that our survey has been created, and the admin URL and public URL has been mentioned there. We can verify this by checking our email. So this is my email ID which I had mentioned while creating survey. So 1 minute ago I have received this email saying that the survey has been created successfully. So another thing that can be seen is this public link. If we go to this public link, so this is the entire study. We can fill in different questions. We can put in different answers for the questions, our responses, and then we can submit this study. Click next, and then you can put in your email address. And you can submit the answers. So we can see that our survey, our responses have been submitted successfully. So this shows that our app is working. Thank you.